Crash course on French Guiana. Geolocation. French Guiana is located on the northeastern coast of South America. It is bordered by Brazil to the south and east, and Suriname to the west. Capital. The capital city of French Guiana is Cayenne. Population. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the population of French Guiana was approximately 300,000 people. Economy. The economy of French Guiana is primarily driven by the space industry, with the Guiana Space Centre being a major player in global space exploration. Other sectors such as agriculture, mining, and tourism also contribute to the economy. Education. Education in French Guiana follows the French educational system, with schools operated by the French government. The education system is well developed, providing access to quality education for the population. Brief history. French Guiana has a complex history, marked by colonization, the establishment of penal colonies, and the struggles of indigenous populations. It was colonized by the French in the 17th century and later became a penal colony in the 19th century. The region saw significant changes and social movements throughout the 20th century. Culture. French Guiana is a diverse melting pot of cultures. It is home to indigenous peoples, Creole communities, and immigrants from various countries. This cultural diversity is reflected in the region's languages, music, dance, and cuisine. Politics. French Guiana is an overseas department and region of France. It has a status similar to that of other French regions, with representation in the French National Assembly and Senate. The local government has a degree of autonomy but remains a part of the French Republic. Interesting stories, examples. One interesting aspect of French Guiana is its unique ecosystem and biodiversity. The region is home to the Amazon rainforest, which is teeming with wildlife, rare plants, and diverse ecosystems. The Maroni River, which forms the border with Suriname, is known for its pristine nature and indigenous communities living along its banks. Top 12 attractions of French Guiana. 1. Guiana Space Centre. Explore the world-renowned Guiana Space Centre, where satellites are launched into space and witness the cutting-edge technology of space exploration. 2. Isles du Salut. Visit the Isles du Salut, a group of islands that once housed a penal colony. Discover the remnants of the historic prison and enjoy the picturesque landscapes. 3. Caw Nature Reserve. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Caw Nature Reserve, home to diverse wildlife, including birds, reptiles, and mammals. Enjoy activities like bird watching and hiking. 4. Maroni River. Experience the enchanting Maroni River, where you can explore the riverside communities, learn about indigenous cultures, and witness the stunning natural surroundings. 5. Saint Laurent du Maroni. Explore the town of Saint Laurent du Maroni, which played a significant role during the penal colony era. Visit the Maison du Bagnard, a museum dedicated to the history of the prisoners. 6. Cacao Trail. Embark on a journey along the Cacao Trail, where you can learn about the region's cacao production, participate in chocolate-making workshops, and taste delicious locally made chocolates. 7. Saint-Jean-du-Maroni. Visit the charming village of Saint-Jean-du-Maroni, known for its vibrant Creole culture, traditional architecture, and lively markets. 8. Montsinary-Tungrande. Discover the natural beauty of Montsinary-Tungrande, with its lush rainforest, scenic hiking trails, and opportunities for wildlife spotting. 9. Musée départemental Alexandre Franconi. Visit the Musée départemental Alexandre Franconi in Cayenne, where you can learn about the history, culture, and biodiversity of French Guiana through exhibits and artifacts. 10. Salines de Montjoli. Explore the Salines de Montjoli, a nature reserve known for its sandy beaches, mangroves, and diverse bird species. 11. Papillon Nature Reserve. Venture into the Papillon Nature Reserve, named after the famous book, Papillon, written by Henri Charrier, and discover the region's wildlife and unique ecosystems. 12. Place des Palmistes. Relax in the Place des Palmistes, a charming park located in the heart of Cayenne, with beautiful palm trees, a bandstand, and benches to unwind and enjoy the surroundings. Summary. French Guiana, located on the northeastern coast of South America, offers a fascinating blend of culture, nature, and history. Its economy thrives through the space industry, agriculture, mining, and tourism. The region's education system provides access to quality education. French Guiana's history is marked by colonization and the establishment of penal colonies, while its culture is shaped by indigenous, Creole, and immigrant communities. The region's attractions include the Guiana Space Centre, Isles du Salut, Cayenne Nature Reserve, Maroni River, and more. French Guiana is a captivating destination for those seeking adventure, natural beauty, and cultural immersion. Song. Verse 1. In the heart of South America, a gem awaits. French Guiana, where beauty resonates. From the spaceport to the rainforest's call. A land of wonder, where adventures enthrall. Chorus. French Guiana, oh, the stories you hold. A tapestry of cultures, brave and bold. From Cayenne to the Maroni's flow. French Guiana, let your spirit grow. Verse 2. From Isles du Salut, echoes of the past. Prison walls crumbling, freedom at last. Cayenne Nature Reserve, where nature thrives. Birds soaring high, in colorful dives. Chorus. French Guiana, oh, the stories you hold. A tapestry of cultures, brave and bold. From Cayenne to the Maroni's flow. French Guiana, let your spirit grow. Bridge. The rhythm of Creole, in the air it sways. A fusion of languages, a vibrant maze. Indigenous wisdom, whispers in the breeze. As nature's secrets unfold, with gentle ease. Verse 3. From Saint Laurent to Saint Jean du Maroni. Where history and heritage intertwine so closely. The Guiana Space Centre, reaching for the stars. Igniting dreams, as rockets pierce the far. Chorus. French Guiana, oh, the stories you hold. A tapestry of cultures, brave and bold. From Cayenne to the Maroni's flow. French Guiana, let your spirit grow. Outro. French Guiana, a melody of sights and sound. Your enchanting beauty knows no bound. Come and explore, let your spirit take flight. French Guiana, a destination shining bright. ******. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.